I'm feeling good about this. Sparks, man. Like, fucking good right off.
You guys good to go?
Are you set?
Kat, do you have any idea where left the tan team is? Are they at the bridge yet?
I don't think they're over there yet.
Last I saw them, they were all doing a big...
Sit out and watch your fire base and watch your left.
Hey, is there anyone at the fire base?
Ah, shit. I hate when that shit happens to my vest.
Yeah. You have a firefight over there, Mike? It was a firefight! There's green. Straight back there. Same two dudes, they're walking out towards the edge. If you just stand, you'd be surprised how you cannot see someone until they move.
Yeah.
Without a doubt.
Well, I mean, we have the disadvantage on the color scheme.
Right. And even in all the dirt. Is that green right there? Popping up? I think it is, Mike. I think we should. I think we have. Don't shoot until you know you can hit them. As fucked up as it is, we got to get to that berm in the sunshine.
Where is it?
Here's the berm right here. I see a guy moving to the left. Two guys moving left. I'm not sure. I'm not going to be able to hit him. Are you? Wait till I see the BBs come again. Thank you.
He's like, what the fuck? Is he? You want me to move up? Is he there?
Really? That's what?
He's still talking to his buddy.
We got guys on the stick. Let's head over to the house. Let's try to cover.
Okay.
I do not want to go back to that point. Really good shot. Start with it. Hit!
Hey!
Hit! Stay tight, Mike. Stay tight.